Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Victory Capital Holdings. It might sound like they're celebrating a win, but let's see if their latest report truly warrants a victory parade or if it's more of a strategic retreat. We will look at the Victory Capital Holdings' most recent filing to see the financial performance and future plans, and what it all means for investors and the market alike. Victory Capital Holdings just dropped an 8K form, which is basically a quick update companies give to the SEC, the government agency that watches over businesses, about important stuff that's happened. Think of it as a corporate breaking news bulletin. This report is dated March 11, 2025. It gives us a snapshot of some key happenings and figures as of around that time. The main highlight of this report is about Victory Capital's assets under management, or AUM. AUM is the total value of all the investments that Victory Capital manages for its clients. This is a super important number because it shows how much trust clients put in the company. Generally, more AUM means more fees for Victory Capital and potentially higher profits. So let's see what their AUM looked like. To get the details, we need to look at Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release they put out about their AUM as of the end of February 2025. Think of an exhibit like an appendix. Scrolling down to the Exhibit 99.1 and the press release, Victory Capital reported their assets under management as of February. We're looking for some specifics like the total amount and any changes since the last report. The press release headline says it all. Victory Capital is reporting their AUM for February 2025. This document will give us the exact figures. It's all about understanding how much money they're managing and whether that number is growing or shrinking. This section is more or less a summary of the full report. Here it is. As of February, Victory Capital reported AUM of $176.3 billion. That's a hefty sum. This huge amount reflects the total market value of assets like stocks, bonds, and other investments that the company manages on behalf of its clients. AUM often correlates directly with a financial institution's revenue since they earn management fees based on the size of the portfolio they handle. Let's check if that AUM is trending in the right direction. The press release notes that at the end of January, the AUM was $174.2 billion. That means their AUM increased by $2.1 billion during February. A jump like this could be due to a few factors, such as existing clients adding more money, the market value of the assets they manage going up, or the company bringing in new clients. Understanding why AUM is changing helps us see where the company's growth is coming from. For February, the average AUM was $174.8 billion. It is helpful to understand trends and can smooth out the impact of daily market fluctuations. Breaking down the AUM by category, we see that the institutional AUM is $83.9 billion. Institutional clients are large organizations like pension funds, endowments, or other big investors. Advisory accounts, which are at $56.5 billion, are where Victory Capital provides advice and manages money for clients, usually individuals or smaller institutions. Mutual funds and ETFs hold $35.9 billion. These are investment funds that pool money from many investors to buy a portfolio of assets. They are a common way for people to invest, offering diversification. Victory Capital's stock is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol VCTR. The report also mentions an interactive data file. This is a file that includes all of the financial information from the report in a format that computers can easily read. It makes it easier for analysts and investors to pull the data they need. Now, let's step back and think about what this all means. Victory Capital is in the business of managing money, and their AUM is a key indicator of their success. The increase in AUM during February is a positive sign, suggesting they're either attracting new clients or their existing investments are performing well. Also, the breakdown of AUM across different types of accounts shows they have a diversified client base. However, a single month's increase doesn't tell the whole story. To really understand how Victory Capital is doing, we'd want to look at their AUM trends over a longer period, compare their performance to their competitors, and understand the fees they're charging. We'd also want to dive into their overall financial health, including their revenues, expenses, and profits. From this report alone, it appears Victory Capital is heading in the right direction. Their ability to grow AUM signals confidence from investors. However, it's important to dig deeper to see if this growth is sustainable and if the company is managing its business efficiently. A quick peek at the stock prices shows that it has performed quite well historically, but as always, past performance doesn't dictate the future. In conclusion, Victory Capital seems to be on a solid path, but keep a close watch on their AUM trends and overall financial health. Are they truly victorious? That's a question that requires more investigation. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. And let us know in the comments what company you'd like us to decode next.